Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to use your Govee Electric Kettle. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're interested in getting the Govee Electric Kettle. How do you actually go ahead and use it? So the first thing that you want to do is that let's go ahead and get this plugged in. And then I'm going to go over the simple buttons that you see here on the Govee Electric Kettle. So obviously you have the on and off button, and then you have the mode button, which toggles between different modes here. You have a DIY button. And so with the DIY button, you can set a certain temperature on your phone and click on DIY, and the water will heat to that temperature. Then you have hold, which means that it's going to hold a certain temperature. Again, this is set by the app, but multiple different functions. I normally just go ahead and turn it on and set a simple coffee presetting. And this is also Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled, as I mentioned before. And so in order to go ahead and connect it to your mobile device, on your mobile device, we're going to use an iPhone for an example. We're going to go into the App Store. And then we're going to type in Govee. And so it's going to be this app right over here, Govee Home. And so once you have the app installed, go ahead and open it up, create an account if you haven't already. And then also on your mobile device, you want to make sure that you have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled. And with your Wi-Fi, you want to make sure that you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Next, we're going to click on the plus icon. And right now it's scanning for nearby devices. So you can see that it's found our Govee Electric Kettle. So we're going to click on add. And then now it's saying that once the Wi-Fi icon is blinking, on your Govee Electric Kettle, you want to press the power button. So we're going to press it once, and that's going to confirm that we're connecting to the right kettle. You can name your device here, click on done, and then it's going to automatically connect to the Wi-Fi as long as your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi. So click on done. And so now on this one right here, you have multiple different temperature settings. So you can set different settings. You can have a scheduled start. Let's say that you want hot water every time you wake up at 9 a.m. before work. You can do a scheduled start so that your water heats up and you don't have to wait for it. There's also preset modes, which are identical pretty much to the preset modes that are over here labeled on your Govee Electric Kettle. So the green tea is 180, oolong is 195 degrees, coffee is 205 degrees, and black tea and boil is about 212 degrees. Now the DIY mode, this button right over here, this is indicated by this one right here, and you can customize that. You also have a keep warm button. You can turn off your kettle on and off. But a lot of different use cases of being able to control your Govee Electric Kettle with your Govee Home app. My favorite thing about it is the scheduled start. So if I start my day every day at the same time for work, I can just have this automatically turn on at 7:30 a.m. My water will be hot and ready to go. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use the Govee Electric Kettle. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.